for fixation of small bone fractures such as metatarsal and metacarpal. These plates are 1/4 of the circumference of a cylinder. These are 1 mm thick with low rigidity. The plate is bent in the shape of the bone to properly align the fracture. Quarter tubular plate is used with 2.7 mm cortical screw. These plates are available with 2 to 10 holes and in lengths varying from 18 to 82 mm. We follow international quality standards to offer the best quality product. While manufacturing, every minor technicality is taken into consideration. High technology machines are used for better production and faster deliveries.